podcast. I'm your fellow soldier and sister, Adriana Solis, and I'm here to invite you to tune in to our English radio program from New York City to all the nations. Sound of Grace only on Radio NetGracia, the official radio of the man Christ Jesus. Throughout our program, we will enjoy musical hits from the exclusive artists of the man Christ Jesus, impacting news of what's occurring worldwide throughout the evil day, testimonies, jewels of grace, and most importantly, the words of our Father and Lord, José Luis de Jesus. That's on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, only on Radio NetGracia after 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Central. Be sure to tune in, blessed, because you can't miss it. You don't want to miss it. See you in Armageddon.